Hello and welcome back to BKLogy and welcome back to another reaction video. Sir John Guite la react bol denga request si atam ke in reaction adinga request na bol penu chu henu ka hinno me tila hin chila hi tu khanglai la cho hi te pon short momoi pan at least 15-16 years achi hi tele kilomin ahin langai ta hin chule hi chila hi John Guite a vocal range na EPT ka say diham athep na ta hoi ta sela hung kilang na la kharahi ya chu ke jong react ga boarding ka tilaka ke phatlam thimin chule Sir John Guite la khel react boarding a request na bolo hi abang le ka gele kanoi hi jin kanoi azai ti pa so hi ti hi so pite ho. He's my friend. He's not only my friend, he's my childhood friend. Chule classmate ka hilon in class around 5 baha. Class 5 apna class 10 chan chu school khara na kai honin mun khara ka honin hit ya chu kum sota kana ki vo honin. Chule a kho chu kho kha chuwang ka hi hon pon hi jong le a hlang pa chona new sam tal more ki ti chu hlang khat ka hi chu hlang khat ka hi hon Kidzia chu ichen game khara chu closeness khat hi kanai hon hin chule tu chen gia we are in contact na khat veila lung chu sota phone ka khe hon na ma to ole sir John reaction video na ver kha le lung set in comment be so hin bolo ong ole pipinai le let's start. Typical John Guite style kati he kenchi ai tit amai humming jhot bang hi athep na khari so and he always does this la azil phat le lo le keyboard an tham phat le khun a humming pa hin pat le we to athep dan khat chu hiti khun from the beginning till the end la khara composed hai so then afterwards he thinks about the lyrics and all and very talented katiram multi talented katiram ania pop choma he's not only very talented he's multi talented feel choma thepna na ye amai mi kidang ta ye mi lo pi ta he
Tin til go na zalin mi he min kahong ke zile in la iti bang se kahi chunun nei phal poi ka pending Gil kesu manati khansen nati itinan hita
Hichila hi react bowling kanatia so I felt really uneasy katina khatchana a lyrics pa ho so aji so I know this song ka het so and every time I listen to to this song there is an uneasiness in me katidan chu a lyrics ko hoite selen gel tawngo ponat dan chana hichi now sen pieng nai lo ai wanga pathen thil sem khari so hinna nei hi so na nunna na ya hinna nei so hichkhun anu koma ka thinom po henu ke jong nei hin sai ne ati dan pa ko ka gelai le kalai na ji so epiti jong gel dom chitabang hla it's a very unique song gospel song khat a hi ti jong hi ti thailo so aji chu hichila hina pathin wa choina alole pathin thu lampang khu chu hina chu hi jong le pakai pathin wa choina lampang hilo so it's more about the emotional aspect between an unborn child and the mother social issue khat addressable ki cho chila hi e ho society kyo ai he mi dang society a jong hi tho he chi na abortion chungchang it's very sensitive issue so itun jong news la internet la social media la ki vele abortion is a very sensitive issue chule ai Christian sa hodinga so Christian ipia tasan hodinga wang so it's a sin whether you like it or not it is a sin so on said he so and it's very sensitive Jia tu hichitabang sensitive topic lyrics azit dan to la asim dan hika gela le low pi ka sa so not very singers na tichu singers sometime hiji hia bol lo so sarjon guiten hit tabang la khat compose bola ana khum jong chu ka gela le ki pau mo mong he Kavet ngam zero zala
Dhamma hinna nei pele heno tinako zinage nagle sato zong le chun na gam thei pi na ngei na cha hang sit bang sit hung zong le pati na ko min kin na ta
Selain music ai kadang orang nalena pos karena orang kita tipa
Hello, gay zong kahin
Wow, hizing he. A lyrics khu line be si zia khu ilung tim phu chalanga khu chi jin tin sarpan langai ta an sa do pa khu ki do ji lo cho kati anjwa akipati la long cho ka sai ta hichila hi Sarjon Guite a vocal range hoi ta selang kilang he vocal range ka ti chu ama thep na ta ta na ipi ham la sa them khat hiya ipi ham ama thep na pen hu ti hi chala hi hong kilang hin number 1 voice control number 2 hi chi vibration a pi dan hu lai sa le vibration pi chi khula na vibrato ho chu Sarjon Guite hu a unique na pa khat hu he has this Bollywood trait in him kati dan chu Bollywood singer ho in vibration api dan ga ki sai tele Sonu Nigam ho dan deu na choloi khun ipiti vibration api si ham chu khar hu thep cho adia humming a bol dan khona abul langa humming a bol dan to atop langa humming a bol dan chu igela le Bollywood khu nam thim cho ama la compose hima khu chule accord combination accord progression a bol dan jong khuna I Hindi la to kilo thim khat ai wanga hikit lo ai mi thinglang tune hi na jong chu tho ai wang hi chi Bollywood neo kho jong chu zaw kit chi chu ama uniqueness na khari cho Sarjon Guite hi chule anjo aga se ma banga Sarjon Guite hi multi-talented person is so. There is a private joke between him and me. Amale kay kahi private joke harum so kay ni hi kazol ka kiti hanji so. But mi dagin kazol akiti now aji pa to kay ni kazol ka kiti now aji hon pa ki banglo so. Kay ni kazol ka kiti hon na aji pa hi kamin hon ki bang ji ahi pon. Aka physical condition hon ke bang je hin ama jong stylist talam zot mi hin kyong stylist talam zot mi ka hin ama sanga kai hi ka kho chen na if you know what I mean ahin this is not our weakness Sarjon Guite hi I know him so well til neu chaka seng kan te na ama chung chang khan high school sports kaneva school sports kaneva ama hi best goalkeeper ani hi cho gel momong taongo football ki chema best goalkeeper ala athai so chitabang mi so Sarjon cho never give up na a weakness so ngai lo so pasal mong katidan chun het them hum ai ke wang khuti ta ke wang khate ta ti ho hello so he never gives up chule personally la sadinga inspire ball pa sa mai ke hi at ke hi la sai kho kana sabi selo hiya ahin khat bei chu hoisam khara chu thinglang na khompi ka ni chiu chu chang pol bata new samtal kom lang hi cho chang pol ba ch tengnupal baham khara chu Sarjon Guite la khara sa number 4 heroine itila pa chana number 4 heroine edi tila chu hichela ana sa chu he really inspired me amana sa the lekin jong ka sa the thori chula tin kong ki them chun ken jong khompia chu amana sa ma banga number 4 heroine chu mi pila audience la kala sama sa pena ne hin and that is how he inspired me to sing kati dance music lunglut pa huna chima sanga chu ke chu music kana lunglut lo so the everything football is so kahin ho chu ai wang ka keng khotia hung sit phara ima jaka ki chip thei talo na and then ka interest chu sports pena chu music langa hunglut panbe bhi chu guitar janga na pe thelo pia ke chala jana guitar janga kana tum thailo ki sai the poi ki tiam piti hoi chi jo ju diam ke na so that's how he inspired me ten gya chu mi talent tare chule anjo ka sema banga chu hi chala hi a hoina khat the beautiful part of this song is that it's very unique e society a chu his the bang social issues sa lyrics gazira la ga khum ki ti hi umbi se lo cho aman hitia chu hichi issue abortion na preborn child preborn babies chung changa hitia la unseen dozong hi thilin ta khar he chi and hats off to Sir John Guite for that ole Sir John reaction video namu teiring ka ginsan dung setan karyak dan su ipiti na gelham nung setan comment anu in sayong ole with that adios